So we are trying to bring a spring back to life, which means that we have to refill the underground aquifers, which means we have to sink water into the ground, and we can do that with swales, level ditches that can catch rainwater flowing down hillsides. Now, as we check on the swales we dug last week, it is quite obvious to see that they are completely dry because it hasn't rained even in the slightest in the last few days. But as we are waiting for some water, we can improve the quality of our swales by leveling them, which distributes the water more evenly across the swale and therefore makes it easier to sink to the ground. And the tool we need for that, we can build right here with really simple materials. So let's go.
How does an A-frame work? Very simple. We will make a frame in the shape of an A out of cane and then attach a string at the top. By adding a weight at the bottom of the string and some markings to show the center, we can determine whether any 2 points that the legs stand on are at the same height. So, let's get building.
Finally, we need to calibrate our A-frame. If we mark where the string hangs in both directions at the same spot, we can know that the center between those markings indicates level ground. Simple math, baby. And that's it. Let's try it out.
Put 1 foot here. Put 1 foot there. Okay, this one's definitely not level. Maybe if I move it a bit over here. So more or less level. Whoa! Look at this. Pretty much exactly level. And the cool thing is, now I can just flip it over and check the next point. Let's check it out. Yeah, here I'm definitely getting higher. So I gotta work a little bit on that, but we got a working A-frame. Nice one.